Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm taking you on a walkthrough of the 99-cent store, where we will be focusing on Easter items. But make sure to stay tuned until the end because I have some bonus items to show you that are not Easter themed. As soon as I walk in, I see a whole wall of colorful Easter eggs with so many options to choose from. They come in different sizes and colors, perfect for creating your own Easter egg hunt or filling up Easter baskets. Moving on, I see some glass clings and so many Easter decorations and signs made of wood. They have so many fun items to add to the Easter basket, like bubbles, erasers, stamps, paints, and toys. They even have dye for eggs. One of my favorite items to pick up every year for Easter and Christmas are the Whack-A-Pack balloons that they have. My nieces love these. They have a huge selection of Easter candy to choose from chocolate bunnies to jelly beans. They have everything you need to satisfy your sweet tooth this Easter season. The back wall was filled with so many accessories like bunny headbands, Easter skirts, bunny purses, glasses, large bubbles, baskets, Easter-themed cups, and so much more. Now it's time for the bonus items. I found the Kendall and Kylie bags for $3.99, the laptop bag for $3.99, and storage containers and baskets starting at just 99 cents. They even have Downy fabric softener for just $2.99, which is a great deal. I also found living lettuce and candy for just 99 cents. Next, they have ice trays with lids for just 99 cents, spin mops with the bucket for $12.99, and a 5-piece closet organizer for just $5.99. And if you're into essential oils, they have a pack of 8 for just $8.99, which is a great deal. So that's it for today's walkthrough of the store. I hope you enjoyed it and found some inspiration for your Easter celebration. And don't forget to stay tuned for more videos like this one. Thanks for watching.